So, you've probably noticed this guy. He's been following you around, and I'm sure he's been driving you crazy, but he has a point. He's pointing out something really important. So, let me explain it. You see, the problem is that we keep showing you all these awesome credit cards, and you guys keep applying for them and signing up for them. Don't get me wrong, it's great that you're excited and you're interested, but then we start seeing the comments like, "Oh my God, I've applied to 10 different cards, but I haven't gotten approved for any." Or I got denied again. What am I doing wrong? And that's where the Wall Street Wolverine comes in. He's going to smack you upside the head and wake you up to reality, because he's going to tell you. You don't need any of those cards you've applied for, and you definitely don't need the cards that you're about to apply for. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly what cards you should have in your wallet, period. You will not need anything else. So, let me ask you a few questions. How many credit cards do you currently have? Be honest with yourself. Be honest with me. Put it down in the comments below. How many of those cards are you actively using? Meaning you're using at least once a month. Come on, be honest. How many of those cards do you actually need? Most people keep way too many credit cards for no reason, like keeping useless apps on your phone. And if you're not careful, it'll slow you down, crash the system, and waste your time. You see, there's a solution to this, a fix to this, and I'm going to give it to you for free. I'm going to tell you exactly what credit cards you should have in your wallet in order to cover all of your bases. So stick around, watch the video, take notes, and make sure you smash that subscribe button because I post new credit card hacks, rewards, and tips every week. And now let's dive in. Here are the only 5 credit cards you will ever need in 2025. And trust me, you won't believe number 5. Number 1, the Travel Beast. Okay, you know the drill. Kicking it off with the king of travel rewards. Look, if you're planning any trips, vacations, getaways, flights, hotels, rental cars, this card is your best bet. It's like having a secret weapon for travel. Welcome bonus alone is worth over $500. Just imagine that going towards a hotel stay, flight tickets, or even some souvenirs. Plus, you're going to earn 5 times points on airfare, 2x points on car rentals, and 3x points on hotels. That's basically half off everything you need for your trip. But wait, it gets better. It's a perk. You'll get a free checked bag, priority boarding, and airport lounge access. Oh yeah, and did I mention ULO? Get a companion voucher that gives a free flight to anywhere in the world. Yeah, that's pretty insane. Number 2, the Cashback King. Next, let's talk Cashback. Now, this card is the real deal, offering an unlimited 2% cashback on every purchase. And here's the cool part. You can redeem your points however you want. Need a vacation? Get yourself a flight? Want some cold hard cash? Boom, deposit straight into your account. Prefer statement credits? Knock yourself out. You can even turn your points into gift cards. Oh, and did I mention you'll get a huge sign-up bonus worth $400? Yeah, it doesn't get much better than that. Number 3, the Balance Transfer Shield. Here's the thing. If you carry credit card debt, it's like a financial parasite draining your bank account and ruining your finances. And trust me, you want to get rid of it fast. So, this card offers a balance transfer intro APR for up to 21 billing cycles. That means you'll pay 0 interest on transferred balances. Yep, you heard that right. 0 interest. And with the average credit card interest rate hovering around 25%, this feature alone could save you hundreds of dollars. On top of that, you'll also enjoy a low regular APR, which kicks in after the intro period ends. It's like putting a shield around your wallet, protecting you from those pesky interest charges. Number 4, the Rewards Multiplier. Listen up. This card is a game changer for anyone looking to earn points, miles, or status perks. Whether you're a freelancer, side hustler, or just someone who likes to earn rewards, this card is your best friend. Why? Because it earns 6x points on social media ads, 3x points on travel and dining, and 2x points on all other purchases. Plus, you'll get a 400 welcome bonus, a free checked bag, and a companion certificate. On top of that, you'll get exclusive discounts on rental cars and access to the Priority Pass program, which gives you free entry to airport lounges worldwide. And let us not forget about the ability to transfer your points to airline partners at a 1-to-1 ratio. That means your points value skyrockets and you can travel the globe without breaking the bank. Number 5, the Builder. Okay, look, if you're just starting out on your credit journey, maybe you're fresh out of college, you don't have much work experience or credit history, this card is your savior. Trust me, it's one of the easiest cards to get approved for, and it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. It's helping you establish and build your credit history. Now, the catch is that you will need to put down a security deposit, but don't sweat it because you'll get it back once you stop using the card. Plus, you'll earn 1.5% cash back on purchases and 0% interest. And here's the best part. You can upgrade to a standard card after making on-time payments for 6 months. It's like leveling up in the credit world. So, here's the deal. You don't need a dozen credit cards cluttering your wallet and weighing you down. Stick with the 5 that cover your travel, cashback, balance transfers, multipliers, and building your credit. Keep it simple, keep it powerful, and watch your financial superhero powers grow. Look, I know you're not a fan of credit cards. You may not trust them, but here's the harsh truth. They're like kryptonite for your financial enemies. When used correctly, credit cards offer unmatched protection. You've got fraud alerts, purchase security, extended warranties, and price monitoring. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your wallet. Don't underestimate their power. See, credit card companies love to throw terms like introductory APR and ongoing rates around. But what do they really mean? Well, let me break it down for you. The introductory APR is like the first aid kit you get when you sign up for a credit card. It's the 0% interest rate that lets you focus on paying down your balance without any extra charges. It's the boost you need to get started. On the other hand, the ongoing rate is the long-term plan. It's the interest rate you'll pay after the introductory period ends. Think of it like your trusty sidekick that stays by your side through thick and thin. You see, it's important to understand the difference between these 2 rates because they affect how much you pay over time. With the right strategy, you can leverage the introductory rate to your advantage and avoid the ongoing rate altogether. Now, I've got a lot more to share on this topic, but I can't fit it all in one video. That SYIV created a special guide that dives deep into this strategy and reveals insider tips on managing your credit cards effectively. It's absolutely free, super easy to grab. Here's what you do. Click the link provided and enter your details, and I'll send you the guide straight away. It's like having a cheat sheet for credit card success. And the best part is, it's completely risk-free. Try it out, follow the steps, and watch your credit card game level up. Trust me, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Alright, if you made it this far, comment down below with the emoji. That represents your favorite card. Let me know which one you're picking for your own wallet. Can't wait to see your comments, and if you're thinking, wait a second, where's the coffee card or the grocery card or the gas card? Stop it right there. Yeah, not need those cards. I know it sounds tempting to have a card for everything, but it's not necessary. Keep it simple, keep it powerful. And remember, the goal is not to have the most cards, but to have the right cards that work for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and make sure you resubscribe for more epic credit card hacks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.